Here I have ACER Liquid Z6E, and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it could be simply the calendar, and let's just assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I have to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. So let's just hold down together these two keys just for about 2 seconds. Let me show you. And as you can see in here, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously for about 2 seconds. And as you can see in here, the device just took the second screenshot. Now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you have to find the screenshot folder. You can do it by using the upper bar and tapping screenshot captured. You may also accomplish that by using the list of settings, choosing the gallery. Let me allow access gallery to photos, media, etc. Here you can choose your screenshot folder. You can now share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.